going to show you how I docked this 70-foot Riva on that 20-foot dock right in front of us by myself. There's no other crew on board. Coming in at an angle, I know the current and wind is pushing me from the south going north. I'm going to favor that. Starboard forward, drifting, starboard forward, putting the nose in, and drifting. Now I'm going to start slowing down and going to putting port reverse, start twisting. Get close enough where I can grab the lines that are pre-made on the dock. Alright, nice and easy. Let me just slow down my bow, slow it down, right next to the dock. Forward a little bit. And that's how I dock a 70-foot boat on a 20-foot dock. Thanks for watching.